Welcome to MyQuizzer. Today, you'll test your knowledge with a fun quiz about animals. At the end, tell me in the comments how many questions you got right. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to support the channel. Which mammal is capable of flying? That. Flying squirrel. What is the most dangerous animal in the world? Lion, mosquito. Which bird has the largest wingspan? Wandering albatross, Andean condor. Which animal has the most powerful bite? Nile crocodile, great white shark. Which insect is proportionally the strongest? Leafcutter ant, rhinoceros beetle. Which animal survives the longest without drinking water? Camel, kangaroo, rat. Which animal has the slowest heartbeat? Blue whale, hummingbird. What is the fastest mammal on the planet? Cheetah, antelope. Which of these animals has venom lethal to humans? Blue-ringed octopus, moon jellyfish. How many stomachs does a cow have? 2, 4. You've just finished the first 10 questions. How many did you get right so far? Which of these animals can change color? Iguana, chameleon. Which animal can regenerate body parts? Starfish, seahorse. Which mammal lays eggs? Platypus, kangaroo. Which animal is famous for its excellent memory? Dolphin, elephant. Which of these has no brain? Jellyfish, sea sponge. Which animal has the most powerful sense of smell? Brown bear, hunting dog. Which animal can sleep while swimming? Dolphin, shark. Which is the best nocturnal hunter? Owl, lemur. What is the largest fish in the world? Whale, shark, manta ray. Which feline is the best swimmer? Tiger, jaguar. That was 20 questions. Are you still on a winning streak? What is the largest reptile on the planet? Saltwater crocodile, black caiman. Which animal can live more than 200 years? Galapagos tortoise, Greenland whale. Which animal is a master at mimicking sounds? African gray parrot, crow. Which animal has the most developed brain relative to its body size? Octopus, shrimp, which insect can survive a nuclear explosion? Termite, cockroach, which of these animals can reproduce without a male? Komodo dragon, cane toad, which of these animals can hibernate for up to 8 months? Brown bear, gray wolf, which has the most potent venom? Taipan snake, black mamba, which has independent eyes? Chameleon, gecko, which bird can mimic human voices? Parrot, macaw, "30 questions down. How many have you nailed so far?" Which shark has a flattened snout? Hammerhead shark, sawfish, which animal has the longest gestation period? Blue whale, African elephant, which reptile can run on water? Basilisk lizard, iguana, which insect produces its own light? Firefly, cicada, which animal uses tools to get food? Monkey, sea otter, what is the largest feline in the world? Siberian tiger, ocelot, what is the largest bird on the planet? Ostrich, rhea, which animal jumps the highest relative to its body size? Kangaroo, flea, which of these animals can survive frozen for months? Arctic fox, penguin, which has the densest fur for cold resistance? Lynx, snow leopard, that's 40 questions. Are you keeping track of your score? Which insect has a highly organized society? Bees, ants, which animal has the most tentacles? Octopus, jellyfish, which has the most complex communication system? Dolphin, orca, which of these animals moves most efficiently in water? Seal, penguin, which is known as the engineer of nature? Beaver, ant, what is the largest land predator? Polar bear, white rhinoceros, Which fish can breathe out of water for a while? Lungfish, catfish. Which of these lives most of its life in water? Blue whale, hippopotamus. What is the national animal of Australia? Koala, kangaroo. Which animal is famous for its laugh? Hyena, chimpanzee. Congratulations, you've reached the end. Comment below how many questions you got right, and challenge a friend to beat your score. Thanks for playing with us today. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our next challenges. See you in the next quiz.